Hey Texas, I'm Laura Kovach, Marketing Specialist in the DFW Metro. Did you know in Listing Concierge you can create video tours and social media assets? Let's dive in.
From CB Desk, click on Listing Concierge. Inside of the platform, click Manage Order. Now, we know sometimes you're on the go and you need to be able to create things without waiting on your Listing Concierge coordinator to provide you a proof. Inside of Listing Concierge, we've given you the ability to create your own video tour. To find this, click on Products and Services and click where it says Video Slideshow. For your video tour, you can have up to 24 photos. You can delete pictures you don't want by clicking on the X and then adding photos from the gallery below to replace them. To do this, click on the photo and drag and drop it into the position in which you'd like for it to appear. You can also move the order by clicking on the photo and dragging and dropping it until you have it just the way that you want. Once you press the Continue button, the information will be sent directly to the vendor and typically will be produced in no longer than 15 minutes. The vendor's application will randomly select music for your video tour. Once completed, you can select the download button that will appear here at the very top and post that on your social media platforms. Just as a side note, at this time, you aren't allowed to select your own music, but we will be providing this option sometime in the near future. Now, we've also given you the ability to create your own social media assets. Over here, underneath Products and Services, let's click on Social Media banner. Maybe you want to boast about a new property you've just listed, an upcoming open house, or a recently sold home. Let's start with your headline. Edit this to say whatever you are speaking about. In this case, we want to say just listed. Please note, the red box in the preview just means that you have too much text and need to edit it down. From there, we will want to go and change the text in the body. For this one, let's say a traditional home with a modern feel. Don't miss out. If you'd like to center this text, go ahead and highlight the entire text. Click here where it is centered. From there, let's go ahead and click Save. And let's click Refresh. If this is how you like it, then let's go ahead and click the Download button and select Low Res or High Res, and then go ahead and post this to your social media platforms. Reach out to your local marketing team for any questions you may have, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks each Wednesday in CB Briefs. Thanks so much, and we hope you have a great rest of your day.